Hey everybody, welcome in or welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video. I wanted to get out another video for you guys as quick as possible because it's been so long since your girl's been in the action. So it's like I gotta give you guys new stuff as much as possible because your girl has a whole bunch of new stuff. As you guys can tell by the title down below, it's been a minute since we have tried this brand, especially a full face of this brand. So I am going to be revisiting the SheGlam family, which is the SHEIN beauty line. So I'm really excited to be trying it out for the first time in 2 years. As you guys may or may not know, when I tried it for the first time, I think within 2 or 3 months, it had upgraded, formula, shade range, all that good stuff, all the yada, yada, yada. And it was requested that I do it, but life happened. But it is what it is, okay? And now that I have come into my new space, I thought it would be good to also bring in a full new face, bars of stuff. I have issues. And so, yeah, I'm really excited to introduce this to you guys. If you guys are following me on Instagram, and first of all, if you're not, then
hater mode, period.
But please join the J Crew J fam here as well as on here and on Instagram. Please follow your girl for sure because you will see hauls, unboxes, stuff like that. I was about to start my face and I actually was doing my brow, hence why this one looks done but the other one's not. But I remembered that I have brow products as well. So like I said, full face from beginning to end. Everything is in this huge bag. It's a P. Louise bag, which mind you, I haven't used the P. Louise products I've had. So what we're not gonna do is judge J. We already discussed this. Thou shalt not judge me, J 24/7. Okay, that's the scripture on this channel. SheGlam Fill Me In 2-in-1 Brow Pencil and Cream. I have it in the shade number 3 chocolate and number 4 espresso. This is chocolate, of course, and then this is espresso. You guys can kind of see like the gradient. It kind of gives you a gist of what the shade could be. Let me try espresso. I mean, this is chocolate, not espresso, my bad. I just tried espresso. Yeah, it's a little bit better. And we already know, for those of you that are new to this channel, I'm not a brow guru whatsoever. Okay, so now that my brows are doing my brows do best, and that's make me look bad. This is the 12-hour full coverage concealer. This is in the shade Honeycomb. This is one of the newer shades. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna line my eyebrows with it, clean them up a little bit, and hopefully it looks like a good shade. If not, then I know not to use it as my under eye concealer. I do have this Ready Set primer, which is the eye primer, and then it comes with like that twist off type cap and a doe foot applicator. But before I get started on my eyes, let me at least introduce you to the palette that I'll be using today. This is the SheGlam Deep Feelings eyeshadow palette, and let's marvel at it together. That is what she looks like. It doesn't come with the mirror, so I don't know why I was trying to hold it low like it did. So on this eye, I'm going to be using the Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer from Fenty Beauty. And on this side, I'm going to be using the SheGlam Ready Set Prime. Just because this is my better blending eye, so I want to give this primer some hope. It's definitely more smoother than the Amplifying Eye Primer. Like, it doesn't feel like it's tacky yet, but like once I blend out the Fenty primer, like I can instantly feel it getting tacky, which is what I like. But I'm not saying that it still won't work or hold on to my eye. It just doesn't feel like it was gonna get tacky as soon as I applied it on. Blending brush from e.l.f. and I'm taking this shade called Abyss, which is this black grayish shade. Definitely some fallout and some kickback in the pans, but I'm going to take this shade called Decadence. I'm gonna take this like teal blue shade called Hidden Gem. I'm gonna take that first, and I like applying shimmers with my fingers, and it's just kind of how I roll. I like the shift on it for sure. It's like darker than lighter, but it is like the same similar shade. Let's do Tundra. So I'm gonna do Tundra, which is the like silvery shade. And I just applied that on top. So quick thing about this primer, it says, get that baby soft flawless skin you were born with thanks to our pigment perfecting primer gel. The first step in your makeup routine comes in this luxe looking container, which I do love how it looks. It says SheGlam on the top. And then it also comes with like a spatula.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so clearly right now I look like Casper the Ghost and this is not blending in whatsoever. So thank God this is not the foundation. This is just a primer that I can cover up with foundation, and hopefully that foundation matches my skin complexion. So speaking of foundation, let's just go ahead and get into it before, I don't know, I rise up and turn to an angel. I don't know. So I have two foundations to try. I have the Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation in the shade Mocha, and then I also have the Skinfinite Hydrating Foundation also in the shade Mocha. For those of you who saw my first haul, you guys remember this foundation. This is the Silky Matte Liquid Foundation Flawless Coverage in the shade 110 Mocha. So this is the old formula. I'm gonna apply it to the back of my hand first. There's one full pump. So that is the shade of the matte one. Actually, I'm kind of curious to see how it compares to, ooh, I shouldn't shake it up with that hand. How it compares to the original formula that I have tried and bought and loved. This also comes with a pump, and it also did come with like its own little velvet pouch as well, but I don't know where the velvet pouch is. That's the one from the new one. I think this is less red, like very little. There's a little bit off, like in terms of the shade. The shade is the same. I think the undertone, this may be a little less red. I already can't stand this face, so you guys probably can't take anything I say seriously right now with this face. So let's just get something on. Do I want to try the hydrating one? Not really. I think I'm good with the matte one. It blended down, and like I can even tell with my brush that it is like drying down already. Like it feels like, all right, it's done spreading, it's not moving anymore. But in terms of how my face looks, I'm happy. I'm happy because it's no longer white. Let's go ahead and go back to the concealer. Like I said, this is in the shade Honeycomb. And then I'm also going to take this Glowing Up Skin Stick in the shade Camel Suede. This is like a contour bronzing type stick.
You didn't see anything.
Welcome to my channel. I am J Ross, where I make things work, because we're gonna make this work. So I also grabbed these mini foundations. I think this is the hydrating foundation, and I have hazelnut, sandalwood, and nutmeg. I think nutmeg is darker than Mocha, so I'm going to try to see what that does in terms of like making a contour. Nope, just gave it a nice, you know, reverse contour. There are 4 shades under nutmeg, so there's still more darker shades than this that I'm actually blending in right now. So that's actually a good sign. I just don't know how much depth is actually in those shades, but if you do try them out, let me know. I have powder, all the other good stuff to try, but the way my face is right now, like how matte it is and how it's not budging and how everything is just how it is, I don't think I need to apply the powder to make my face even more matte. It's not a drying matte, don't get me wrong, it's not a drying matte, but I feel like there's no point to touch my face. Like I'm just gonna leave it the way it is, and I don't want to mess it up even more. So we're just going to do a part 2 with maybe the hydrating foundation, trying the concealer with the hydrating foundation, and some other stuff. I'm gonna go into this shade called Smoke Show. It's like a gray with golden shimmers in it. Going back to the shade Abyss, which is that black shade that we started with. I'm going to take the shade called Silver Fox. I'm gonna do that on my inner corner. So I have this Sweet Cheeks Blush Trio. This is the Sunset Cruise one. I think there are two other ones, two lighter ones. This is the darkest one. Should I actually apply one of the eyeshadows on my cheeks again?
A few moments later.
I'm doing it. I can't be stopped at this point. Let's try this shade called In My Orbit. Okay, that's darker than what I thought. So let's not do that one. Let's just cancel that part, okay? Let's cancel that whole idea of using that shade and let's see what Toasted Hazelnut looks like, which is this one. Mixing it with Tundra because I can't, oh no, I forgot. Tundra is more chunkier. Crap. I'm gonna blend that in. Mind your business what I'm gonna do with it, but I'm gonna blend it in. This is the Press Refresh Setting Spray. Keeps your makeup fresh, smells like a vacation. This is the lip liner and lipstick duo. This is the lipstick. This is the liner. Okay guys, so that wraps it up for this video. This is the final and finished look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below in terms of my thoughts of which products I like and which products I didn't like. I wouldn't say I disliked any of the products. It's just I wish this shade stick type of thing had a deeper shade. This is the deepest shade, and as you guys could see, it blended right in with my skin. Basically, like barely gave it any depth or definition. So that's the only real gripe I had, but other than that, everything else I'm still really happy about. Wait. Cancel everything I just said. I just remembered that stupid primer has to go. The packaging is beautiful. So I'll probably rinse it out and put some skincare in there. Yeah, but that primer is not it for me.
Shut your mouth, Wild.
But thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I am your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Please come back for more videos. If you have seen any of my hauls or any of my makeup products that I forgot that I bought type videos on Instagram and you guys want to see me try any of those products, please go ahead and let me know that down in the comments down below. I hope you guys are enjoying seeing me back. Also stay tuned for a part 2 of this as I have more other products to try. Hope you guys are staying safe, happy, healthy, and blessed, and as always, I hope to catch you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Peace.